Hello friends, for today's video, let's draw Carla Cat, a friend of Peppa Pig. Let's begin by drawing the shape of Carla Cat's face. Next, her ears. Her eyes. Let's draw her nose with whiskers. Her cheek. And lip. I'm drawing the shape of her body. Let's decorate her dress with lots of flowers. Do you love cats? Me too. Cats are like living fluff balls, covered in the softest fur that's perfect for snuggles and gentle petting. With big, curious eyes and ears that can twitch with excitement, they're the ultimate companions for cozy afternoons and playful adventures. Next, her arms and hands. Then, her tail. Her legs and feet. I'm delighted! Together, let's add color to Carla Cat. Let's add color to her nose with pink, her cheek with color light pink, her face and ear with color gray. Are you enjoying yourself? That is excellent! Do you know cats have magical whiskers that are like nature's antennas? They help them navigate in the dark and sense all the whisker-twitching wonders around them. The flowers on her dress with color violet and yellow. Her dress is color red. Carla Cat is happy to see you today. Carla Cat, a furry friend with a heart full of curiosity and a mischievous twinkle in her eyes. Her arms, hands, tail, and legs with color gray. Her shoes with color black. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.